How to fix Snapchat device ban. Hi guys, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. If you are facing the issue of Snapchat device ban, then the first step you want to do is open up Play Store or App Store and search for Snapchat. Now you want to update Snapchat the latest version, so tap on the update button if you find it. If you find the open button like this, then that means Snapchat has already been fully updated. You can tap on the uninstall button and uninstall the Snapchat application and then install it again so that a fresh version of Snapchat is installed. Now try to log into your account. If your issue is still not fixed and you want to head over to settings, then from here tap on apps. Now tap on Snapchat. Here you want to tap on storage. Now tap on clear cache. Once that is done, try to log into your account again. If you still face the problem, then head over to any web browser you want and search for Snapchat support. Then open the very first website that you can see, which is help.snapchat.com. Now tap on My account is compromised. Here you will have to submit a request. For that, you have to fill up this form. So go ahead and enter your username, your email, then your phone number. Now for the description, simply write down that your Snapchat device has been banned and you want this issue to be fixed. Then give some detail about your account, then tap on the submit button. Once you do that, Snapchat support team will contact you and help you fix this problem. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.